I told you people, no criminal will reign forever. It's just a matter of time. Your time will come and your time will go. Every day is for criminal, but one day, just one day, is for the owner. Ladies and gentlemen, the almighty Nigeria army have managed to arrest h0o and 8 others with some children. In all, I told them that their reign of terror will not last forever. They feel untouchable. I cited some example for them. I told them of Donwani. I told them of Delico. I told them of Osisi Kampo and some other criminals. Today, half h0o is gone. And you are still inside bush, believing that you will win. You can't win Nigerian security.
Troops of Operation Udoka sustained offensive posture throughout the week under review. Between 8th to 13th October, they conducted offensive operations and arrested a suspected h0o PSA terrorist commander identified as h0o, who was on troops wanted list along 8 other criminals in Owerri West and Maitoli local government areas of Imo State, as well as Izi and Abochukwu local government area of Imo State. Some weapons, ammunition, and vehicles were also recovered from them. Additionally, a female h0o PSA collaborator, who also was believed to be one of their logistics suppliers, was arrested in Umunochi, local government area of Abia State, on 13th October 2025. During the arrest, 3 children, whose investigation revealed were biological children to a wanted h0o PSA leader identified as Maglobuchi Wampo, otherwise known as Emergency, were found in her custody. It was further revealed that the terrorist leader is also a relation.
If you are not unknown government, if you are an ESN, you are not allowed to carry this. If you are a police in the zoological country, you are not allowed to carry this in Biafra land. If you are a military man, you are not allowed to carry this in Biafra land. Understand? It is only unknown government that is meant to carry this. Owners of the land,
know themselves.
Owners of the land,
know themselves.
No one, apart from unknown government, is allowed to carry this in Biafra land. Because we are the Biafra revolution.
Amen.
No retreat,
no surrender.
We are fully out. We are on the road. We still on the stage. Nigeria, if you not find me come, una go die. If you not come, una go die. All Igbos were there in the military. All Igbos were there in Air Force. All Igbos were there in Navy.
Police.
Custom, police, and the civil defense. Better judge. Make una reason. Make una think.
For your life, oh.
For your life. Make I tell you now. Make I tell you now. Yeah? You see my master because of when I must revenge with and I don't come out to revenge. You see all those innocent souls. We are terrorists. We not be terrorists. And if you are guiding us or calling us a terrorist, you are yourself. You are bringing more destruction to yourself. I want to tell you the truth. We are not a terrorist. We are Biafra revolution.
Amen.
Point of correction, you that are coming from zoological country. Point of correction, we are not a terrorist. And we can never be a terrorist. So we are only fighting for freedom. Let the world hear our voice. We are fighting for our freedom. And without that freedom of Biafra, there will be no peace in this land. How many Biafran soldiers will not think say una go feel? How many Biafran soldiers will not go think say una go feel? Una no go finish. There is no way that you that calls yourself Eastern governors and the senators, Eastern senators, that can fight insecurity in this land. Almost again, Namo. Jano Abuja, just ready the whole amount tank. The whole fight that we pull everywhere. Yeah, Jaja Woglo for Macanoglo for Kid the Jawa. For Kajaja. Oh, when I get a Luga Fascinda Saqualia, Unu Cherani within the house, what a quine. Obon I had about Lugas, I had about Yoruba. See Yoruba Qualia, I was a Qualia, Unu Cherai, now what to Funa Bode. What to Funa Bode. We got a tomorrow no day. Now they hear me so we don't stand the bam. Huh? Make una dey see am, the chamber still dey open. Anyone we put her.
Ejala zere mirin.
Una see am, na our brother. Huh? He died with una for long. If say we wicked, and for finish am.
You go back up here.
One la not keep back.
You will live long.
I will not him. He will be back. He will be back home. We are not to kidnap. We are not to steal. We are only to fight for our freedom. We will not collect pardon couple from him. He don't need his money
at all.
But he got luck. So now, road safety.
Bro,
but make I tell you, make I warn you. Very soon, as the thing they enter body now, very soon, whether you be road safety or any has you be security in this land, because you are logical country. If you catch you on the road, your life.
God,
so, make I tell you, since you people doesn't want to fight and resign for your rights. For the little you have, a bookie man, where they bend down the beast, where they use water, they wash nonsense. Go carry a little money from your own money, from what you have what did they get from your land? Then go carry some more inside, they can't give you. You go stand up, say you wise. Say you wise, can't sell your brother. Say, may they carry a more tank, may they carry 5 targets, come finish your brother. If they finish your brother, who go be your brother? Can Hausa be your brother? No. Can Yoruba be your brother? No. Una say una the reason. Una say una the reason. Una say una something. We are only fighting for Biafra. And not Biafra all we know.